Mars is braw in Crammasy, crimson. Aye, right. Poets, what do they ken about Mars? Wouldn't they last a solar day here? Be deed long afore the rare ship even landed.
Subject 6 Gen Sierra Lima Juliet. Non-attendance at Bioloch workstation. Absence unauthorized.
Mars is red. Aye, red. The colour o' this fourth planet. But no like strawberries. No like a rose or wine. Mars is red. Like a heart that when a beat. A heart when they love. The new Martians in Scotia 12. My colony, my family, my prison. I've come here to get a waff of them. After this morning's news, I was going to scream.
Heart rate elevated. Vitals stable. Location beyond the perimeter.
The colony, built by the first Danes on Mars. Our grandparents, our great, whatever grandparents. They were Generation 1. I'm Generation 6. I was born here. We were told to hope. They made us believe one day we would leave Mars. And now I ken I'm going to die here. They dropped that on us today. Generation 6 must stay on Mars to service and protect this pointless lump o' deed reed stain. And Generation 7, just them, on their own. They will carry on to the stars. New planets. New vistas, new life.
Sierra Lima Juliet, located Alba Mons region. Brain activity noted. High beta waves. Agitation. Rejection of directive probable. Deploy armed drone. Subdue and return subject to his workstation at Scotia 12.
Look at Earth. A blue dot in the Martian sky. I hear them coming for me, the colonists. They've sent hunters. Of course they have. They hae my vitals. They ken I'm here. I'm coded in. My whole life's coded in. See that blue dot? I'm gone there. No. I dinna care. I'll find a way. I'm just gone. I want this red stour off of me. I'm going to walk on the blue planet. I'm going to swim in its seas. I'm going to breathe air. Real air. I just want to go home. To Earth. The bonny brook at Bairn. Poets. They ken nothing.